Hello and welcome to another episode of The Quest. First, the highlights. Iqbal Day celebrated in Kashmir University. Two-day academic workshop on improvement in education concludes. Directorate of Lifelong Learning organizes one-day capacity building program. And EMRC holds day-long orientation meeting with e-content experts. Now the details of these events with your host Suzina Mushtaq. To commemorate Dr. Saad Muhammad Iqbal's 135th birth anniversary, Iqbal Institute of Culture, Philosophy, University of Kashmir organized two-day seminar on the topic, Iqbal and Glory of Man. The inaugural function was held in the Gandhi Bhavan auditorium. The seminar started with a recitation of Quran, followed by the Naat.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً قَالُوا أَتَجْعَلُ فِيهَا مَن يُفْسِدُ فِيهَا وَيَسْفِكُ الدِّمَاءَ
अता हुई है तुझे रोज़ो शब की बेताबी खबर नहीं कि तू खाकी है या किसी माँ भी सुना है खाक से तेरी नमूद है लेकिन तेरी सरिश्त में है कौकबी व महाताबी.
Director Iqbal Institute of Culture and Philosophy, Professor Tasqeen Fazil presented the welcome address.
आज पूरा बर-ए-सग़ीर हकीमुल उम्मत शायर इंसानियत अल्लामा मोहम्मद इक़बाल को उनके 135वें यौम विलादत पर खिराज तहसीन पेश कर रहा है. इक़बाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कल्चर एंड फ़िलासफ़ी ने इस मौके पर एक 2 रोज़ा कौमी सेमिनार का इनेकाद किया है. सेमिनार का मौजू है इक़बाल और अज़मत आदम. इस सेमिनार में मुख्तलिफ शोबों से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले रियासत और बैरूनी रियासत के मुक़्तदर अहल इल्म व दानिश और मुतख़स्सिसीन इक़बाल शिरकत कर रहे हैं. इक़बाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कल्चर एंड फ़िलासफ़ी इस सेमिनार में तशरीफ़ लाए तमाम मोअज़्ज़ज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात का इस्तक़बाल करता है.
In his keynote address, Professor Qazi Ubaidur Rahman Hashmi of Jamia Millia Islamia, while speaking on Iqbal's philosophy on the creative evolution of mankind, said that his poetry is different from many philosophical thoughts of the world.
इस दिन में अलजेली का इंसान कामिल, नेत्शे का फ़ौक़ुल बशर, गेटे का फ़ाउस्ट, वॉल्ट विटमन का डिवाइन एवरेज वगैरह वो तख़य्युलाती किरदार हैं जिनको मुतशक्किल करने और मादी कायनात में रूबा अमल लाने के लिए ज़माने दराज से कोशिशें होती चली आ रही हैं. ताहम एक नीम मावराई तसव्वुर से क़त्ए नज़र खुदा की हस्ती के बिलमक़ाबिल इंसानी वजूद उसकी इनफरादी हस्ती और माहियत का इदराक और तख्लीकी फ़ितानत का जैसा पुरज़ोर रज़मिया इक़बाल की शायरी में देखने को मिलता है, वह न सिर्फ मशरिक़ बल्कि मगरिब की शायरी जो मसलक इंसानियत के मसीही और गैर मसीही तहरीकात के ज़ेर असर की गई, उसमें भी खाल ही नज़र आता है।
Renowned educationalist of the Valley, Professor Madhosh, while deliberating on the subject, said that Iqbal explained how great societies of the past become redundant because they could not survive the challenges of the nature.
Allama's this thought opens the gateway to understanding, research and analysis, a roadmap to satisfactory present and a better future, encompasses not only the inherent strength of your own socio-cultural milieu, but those of others, and those ideologically opposite to your beliefs. Quoting him again, the Allama writes, कौमों की तारीख में ये एक बड़ा नाजुक वक्त है जो इस बात का मुतकाजी है कि हर कौम न सिर्फ अपनी मौजूदा हालत पर गौर करे, बल्कि अगर इससे अक़वाम आलम के दफ्तर में अपना नाम कायम रखना मंजूर है तो अपनी आइंदा नस्लों की बेहबूदी को भी एक मौजूदा वाक़या तस्वुर करे और ऐसा तरीक़ा अमल इख्तियार करे जिसके अहाते असर में इसके अखलाक का तमद्दुन भी शामिल हो।
Retired Justice Bashir Ahmed Kirmani threw light on the essence of Iqbal's poetry and said that Allah has not created human beings without any purpose.
और वो मकसद खुद अल्लाह ने यूं बयान किया है कि मैंने चाहा कि मैं पहचाना जाऊं और इसलिए मैंने तख्लीक की इंसान की। तो जाहिर है कि इंसान को ऐसी सलाहियतों से लैस करना है कि वो इस पहचाने जाने के अमल में पूरा उतरे। इसके लिए जो सलाहियतें होनी चाहिए थी, उन सलाहियतों में पहला जीना जो है यह है अज़मत इंसान। अल्लामा ने कहा है, तलकीन की है, ताकीद की है, उसको निकारा है। लेकिन अज़मत इंसान है क्या चीज़ असल में? जब मिट्टी का पुतला बनाया आदम का, तो फिर आखिरी मरहले पर उसमें अपनी रूह फूंक दी, और रूह जिंदगी देने का जरिया है। और जिंदगी की हतमी शक्ल, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट जिसको आप कह सकते हैं अंग्रेजी में, वो खुदा है।
While presiding over the inaugural session of the two-day seminar, Vice Chancellor Professor Talat said that he wants to see high-quality research from Iqbal Institute.
Very seriously considering to have a sort of advisory board to make sure that the standard of Iqbal studies from the University of Kashmir should go much higher, in the future years. And that will actually be the reflection of the interest that we see that such, huge crowd and the youngsters are interested.
On the occasion, 21st edition of the yearly journal Iqbaliyat and 2 books on Dr. Iqbal were also released. Dr. Muheed Zafar conducted the proceedings of the inaugural seminar. The 2-day academic workshop on the identification of areas of priority and branches of knowledge necessary for promoting school and college education in the state concluded. The valedictory function was held in the Gandhi Bhavan auditorium. The workshop was held by the Faculty of Education. Dean Faculty of Education, Professor Nighat Basu, in her welcome address put forward her observations.
Quality education is but essential for the vertical growth of the society. As on date, we have more than 500 universities in the country and mushroom growth of educational institutions. But there is a big question mark regarding the quality education imparted by such institutions. Even the recently established 14 central universities in the country have not been in a position to break their ice. It is a matter of fact that we have not been in a position to curb our space even in the first 200 universities of the world. But every attempt is being made to contribute towards quality education.
Professor Anwar Jahan Zubairi said that it has to be ensured that recommendations are implemented.
The UGC has been writing to the universities to introduce choice-based credit semester system in all the universities. Some universities have implemented. As Vice Chancellor of Calicut University, we implemented a choice-based credit semester system at the postgraduate, undergraduate level in the colleges and distance education center. And many other universities have also introduced, I think all the universities in the northeast and several other universities. In the south, most of the universities have implemented choice-based credit semester system.
Principal Amar Singh College Professor Zahoor Ahmed Chart opined that two-day workshop has helped in formulation of recommendations.
We have been all along saying that in our educational system, we do not find any linkage between school education, college education, and the university education. And all along the Department of Education, particularly we at the Department of Higher Education, have been impressed upon the fact that unless we create a greater deal of linkage amongst the three components of education, the purpose, the objective of education here in the state of Jammu and Kashmir cannot be fulfilled.
Professor Nazir Ahmed Nadeem put forward the recommendations that were formulated during the two-day workshop.
Then on supervision and monitoring, now it has been recommended that as on the analogy of school education, like for instance, we have directorates of school education separately for Jammu and separately for Kashmir. Now the group recommends that there should be two directorates of higher education also. Now on examination side, it has been recommended that colleges should gradually shift to semester system of examination. Then it is also recommended that given the number of distance learners in the state of J&K across the state, an open university may be opened.
Ex-Registrar Professor Sayyid Fayaz said that the idea of this workshop was mooted by the University Council to get recommendations that can be implemented.
Honorable Chancellor Shri N.N. Vohra ji, who is very keenly interested about the development of universities and educational system, he in fact raised these issues that we need to study and we need to discuss these issues, identifying the priority areas and not in a fragmented way, but in an integrated way, linking the schools, colleges and university together and linking it with the job market and with the overall development of the state.
Vice Chancellor Professor Talat Ahmed, while presiding over the valedictory event, noted that the recommendations are important for the betterment of the education scenario.
Once your recommendations are there, it has to be looked into more seriously and see what is practical to be implemented will be definitely done. I am sure if we make a good recommendation, it can become a sort of guiding force for other states to follow.
Minister for Higher Education Mr. Abdul Ghani Malik opined that no change can be expected without talent and private-public partnership.
In our state, the PPP mode has still to make an entry. No major project being taken up to this time, and our arrangements in the higher education are falling very short, I tell you, keeping in with the quantitative changes. We created 2,000 posts of assistant professors during last 3 years, and our share in the state annual plan has gone up from 0.9% to 2.8%.
The Directorate of Lifelong Learning, University of Kashmir, in collaboration with Department of Social Work and Indo-Global Social Society, organized one-day capacity building program on cardiopulmonary resuscitation. The program was held in the interiors of Mir Behri area of Dal Lake. Speaking on the occasion, Director DLL Dr. Ghulam Hassan Mir said that it is important to build bridges and understand the problems and issues of the community.
और ये प्रॉब्लम समझो अत मत अस्त फायदे तोह तो फायदे तन तल तर फिक्र तोह कुछ मुश्किलात छु युस इमीडिएटली हल सोचो और अस तर यूनिवर्सिटी में फिक्र ज तोह कस प्रॉब्लम यस पन्निस सिलेबसस मज पन्निस करिकुलमस मज पन्निस रिसर्चस मज यम के सोशल वर्क स्टूडेंट आमत तिम कर तथ मज इनकॉर्पोरेट ताकि तथ पे रिसर्च.
Assistant Professor, Department of Social Work, Dr. Shazia Manzoor said that the real education is to work among the community members.
कुन साथ किस बच्चस लोग कुन साथ का लेडी तमिस कुन किस्मुक तकलीफ कांच बुजुर्ग इंसान इस कुन किस्मच तकलीफ छ असमस गस के तिस ट्रेनिंग आसन कि इस गस न वेट करन कि इस गसो कुन डॉक्टरस निश कुन एजेंसी निश असमस गस पान तुता आसुन आप कैपेसिटी के इस गस हकिन कम से कम तमिस तम साथ थोड़ा बहुत मदद करत आज शे कैस के सारी खुद बड़ा कोशिश कि कुन त कम्युनिटी हिन लिख गस पान आसिन तुमन मस गस पान तुता आसिन कैपेसिटी सलाहियत कि तुम गस पान मदद हकिन पान करत.
Directorate of Physical Education and Sports, Professor Bashir Ahmed Khan, while appreciating the role of DLL, said the Directorate needs not only moral but monetary encouragement as well.
बहुत ताकीद यमन करान कि अमि किस्मिक यम प्लेटफॉर्म करियो यमन मुहैया अगर मे यी जहनस मज मे यी कुन विज मौके बह कर कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी हंदिस वाइस चांसलर कथ ना यथ हसा गसन यथ डिपार्टमेंटस चर फंड आसिन ताकि अमि किस्मिक प्रोग्राम करन यम अक्सी जाय क्या वारियन जायन ताकि लूक गसन हुशार वक्तस सत क्या करुन अगर अस क्या प्रॉब्लम सो प्रॉब्लम कित दूर करें.
Mr. Gulzar from Youth Action for Peace expressed his concern that awareness among Kashmiri people about their rights is abysmal.
Ashin to platform it milan ke ye maz is panwen discussion heko karit panin social issues an pethan to ye project chu focus karan yimni cheezan pet ki us kit pat badao panwen ak zankari yum mas hukuk chu chahe tim as government an chu ditmitan ya tim overall yim zan as a human being as a basic rights of living. LS UR I yat alakas mazan as wush ki ye tishna basic facilities available kihin.
Later, live demos and mock drills about the cardiopulmonary resuscitation were performed for the benefit of the people to train them for the emergencies.
इसको कहते हैं रिकवरी पोजीशन. क्या कहते हैं इसको? रिकवरी पोजीशन. अब इसके बाद हम क्या चेक करेंगे इसमें कि एयरवे मतलब इसका सांस आ रही है कि एयरवे ब्रीदिंग और सर्कुलेशन.
थोड़ा अमिस वो डॉक्टर साहब वो कि अमिस मा मान वो सह क्लियर विलियर कर पे वो अमिस हेकू तुम बे वो कुन जाए खास जाए ये तुम अमिस वो कि अमिस शाह खसान पल्स शायद नब्ज सा पकान.
Educational Multimedia Research Center organized a day-long orientation meeting with e-content experts of environmental sciences and pharmaceutical sciences in the Media House auditorium. More than 50 e-content experts from environmental science and pharmaceutical science from university and various colleges of Valley participated in the orientation meeting. During the orientation course meeting, Director EMRC Dr. Shahid Rasool explained to the experts the importance of making e-content modules for the students. He informed the participants that e-content module is designed to meet the new challenges in education.
Teacher has not changed over the period of time. Teacher has remained confined to that same chalk and talk method in the class. So when MHRD realized this, they initiated a program called NME, National Mission for Education through ICT. And 4,612 crores were kept for this mission in the previous plan. And it is going to be 3 times in the new plan, which is yet to be finalized.
He told the e-content experts that today a student has a number of resources available outside the classroom, which is a challenge for the teachers.
What's important is the contribution to knowledge. What's important is that when this revolution is taking place across the world, we should not be lacking behind. We have been given an opportunity, we have been given a challenge, and we should take it up and tell to the world that we are talented and we can also contribute. Because as they say that the future economies of the world will be, driven by the knowledge. And knowledge will be packaged and as a commodity, and then you can make money, and the economy will be driven by knowledge. That is what they mean by knowledge economy. And as you know, the internet also, that there are lots of things that are free, but then real quality work is not free. You have to pay $1 or $2, and then only you can get. They show you the abstract, and then you want the paper, pay. So that is how future is going to be.
Mr. Farooq Ahmed Lone also appraised them about the utility of e-content modules.
Today's teacher is not confined to his classroom, but has come out from confines of classroom. And this technology has placed him on a platform where he is visible to a larger audience.
Head Environmental Sciences Professor Azra Kamili and Associate Professor of Pharmaceutical Sciences Dr. Nahida Tabassum also spoke on the occasion.
This is firstly for our own society, because our own society, our own students will also get benefited. Then we come to throughout India, this will be taken and you will be known everywhere. Department will be known, students, scholars, staff members, they will be known. And ultimately it will be the repute of our university, the institution. Then it will come to MMRC as well.
I think this will be of great benefit to the students, although they see books and see all the contents there. But if this is devised in such a way, you are talking about e-content and you are saying that it's giving that international publication status, definitely our future scholars, future faculty members will be getting benefit from this course. And if you are making me as a coordinator, then definitely I will try to support it in whatever way you want me to, sir.
For the past 3 years, UMRC has been focusing on e-content module of botany for undergraduate students. And during these years, the center has successfully completed e-content module for the first and the second year students. The center has now taken a final year syllabus of botany. Apart from botany, the center has also been entrusted to make e-content modules in other subjects that include pharmacy, food technology, law, and Urdu. That's all for today's episode. Log on to eomrckashmir.com to watch the latest episodes of The Quest. Mail us at quest@eomrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are the words of wisdom. Educate yourselves because we will need all your intelligence. Be excited because we will need all your enthusiasm. Organize because we will need all your strength. Thank you.